Hello my Totta kids. Hope you are doing well. Today we will learn different vocabulary words that start with letter I. The sound of I is I. Let's start. I for ink. I for iron. I for iceberg. I for IGLOO. I for INDIGO. I for ice cream. I for invite. I for iguana. I for invent. I for insect. I for Iceland. I for iron stand. I for impeller. I for India. I for ice plant. I for in front. I for icing. I for ill. I for idea. I for identical. I for injury. I for injury. I for eyes. I for ibis. I for injection. I for inside. Hope you will enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe our channel and share with your family and friends. Bye bye.